Party's going on. Thank God it's Friday.
Alright, today's the day that we take this bad boy down to the machine shop and see what we're working with, man. I gotta find out these cylinder walls, if what size pistons to order. So, if they're all good and they just need a hone, then we'll be able to run 84 millimeter pistons. But if not, then we're gonna have to go 5 over and go 84.5. But I won't know that till we go to the machine shop and find out. So Shiloh's actually on his way. He's gonna roll with me out there because it is a little bit of a distance from my house. It's not far. It's like 20 minutes away, but he's gonna roll with. Sounds like he might be here. Hey, dun dun dun! Damn, bro, where'd you get that sticker at? What? Alright, we're all loaded up. We're ready to fucking mob. See you later, Max. Jesus. Jesus. You gonna lock your door, bro? What is this? Are you carrying on the, I buy you the wrong ones, so you have to buy me the wrong ones?
This is not it?
No.
What the fuck?
What the hell is that, bro?
I was like, zero sugar.
It's all good.
Is anybody home?
Alright.
Whoa, race car.
Alright, we're here. So I'm gonna have this guy check this thing out real quick and see what we're looking at. God, that was a long drive.
Yeah, the 0 is right at spec size. So right there.
With clearance?
Well, that's right at 84. We don't know what the piston is. So there you're about 1.5 to 2. So that's 2 thousandths over what it should be. So you're going to be loose if you try to run an 84.
So is it?
So what is that just from like miles? Like
From
the miles
wear.
on the...
Yeah, just wear on the rings. See, that one's about 3 thou right here
Okay.
on that one.
Is that something that a different set of rings on some 84 mil pistons could take care of?
No, because it's not the ring gap that's the issue. It's this piston to cylinder wall.
It'll slap around.
For slap, yeah, it's too big, and it'll start knocking around in there. So yeah, your probably best bet is probably need to do 84.5, 84.5.
Yeah. Because I was already looking up like piston and rod
Right.
sets, and like they have 84 and then they have
Yeah.
84.5.
Right, right. And see, then feel right here, you can feel where it's had water sitting. So where the piston sat up here at the top on these two, and down there, you can feel where there was water sitting in it. So there's a
Yeah,
little
so
bit
that
of
kind
rust.
of creates pores in the metal.
So it's going to be, you're going to have spots here and here. If you tried to hone it, it's just going to be too big.
Yeah.
So what you'd want is probably let us take this one, cut it, and see if it'll clean up for the 84.5 millimeter, and then you get pistons to match.
Okay.
Yeah, make sure it lines up.
Do that
Yeah.
first. And then you're probably you may want to have this decked. Looks like it's blown the head gasket, that real black area.
Anyway, being that it's
And the
not
way
a
this,
solid
Yeah.
deck.
That's kind of my idea. Is
Yeah.
if it needed to be bored, bore it, deck it.
Yeah.
Maybe have the rotating assembly balanced.
Okay. And the other thing is, we will also want the main caps to check all the mains
Yeah.
to make sure that they're within spec, so it doesn't
Okay.
have to have a line hone. Because that'll get more expensive if we have to do the line honing on it. So we'd need the mains, and especially if you're putting studs in it, that will change the torque
Yeah.
and make it tighten it up sometimes, and then it's out of spec, so then it has to be recut
Okay.
to make it so you can really run the big horsepower. So yeah, I mean, basically, so if you want to leave it, we can cut it and make
Okay.
sure that it'll clean up at the 84.5.
Okay.
And then you can order up pistons and then bring it back, and we'll hone them to those pistons to finish it.
Okay. So when I come back with the pistons, what else would you? I mean, as long as it's gonna clean up, what else do you need? The main caps and the crank and all that kind of stuff, or?
If we're putting the bottom end together, if you're putting it together, I don't.
Yeah, I'm gonna assemble it.
Yeah,
I'm gonna try my hand at it.
Yes, I will. I will need the main caps to put it in
Okay.
the hone,
Okay.
because our hone goes through the mains and it holds it down in the machine.
Okay. I can bring those back to you.
Yep, that and the bolts. Just bring me those back when you come back. But we'll do the bore and hone first.
Can
to
you?
make sure.
Do you know where the mains go? Because I have them set on my damn thing.
They should be numbered.
They go right here.
No, I mean in what order?
Can we get that on film? I hope.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
I mean,
there'll be
what order?
numbers on them.
Okay, cool. Yeah, because I didn't, it's my first time really tearing it apart. So what I did was just, okay, this one's here, lay that one first, in order.
That's pretty much right.
Do all
So-
those pistons that you were looking at, the wrist pins, you might need to have them install the pistons onto the rods.
Press it.
Are they press fit or are they
No.
clips?
Whatever you're
No, they're
looking at.
clips.
If they're clips, then you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I should have brought my freaking 2JZ over here. You guys could have been done with it already, huh? Yeah?
Well, it depends on how long ago you brought it here. You see
They haven't even started on it.
all my stuff I've still got sitting here.
Yeah. No idea what any of this stuff does, but
You don't. You can't. That's what the problem is.
There, belt grinders and everything
You have to try
back
to
there.
do shims to get them to where they're
that is crazy.
And then what we have to do is get a set of bearings put in.
Seat guide machine, and do all the cylinder head work, guides, seats, valves,
This size is 2.1.
valve drop bench for grinding the seats. Have the valve grinder that grinds all your valves right here. Two different ones. Pressure tester to pressure test the head. And you got flywheel grinder and everything out there.
Dude, it's crazy how many different machines it takes to do all this.
Rudder, pressure tester.
What do you use to clean everything?
This machine out here.
Oh, nice.
showing this guy the machine that cleans
We're
everything.
just checking out your work.
Tell him what happens to people who sneak up behind me without saying anything.
Oh, you get this guy to jump about 5 feet.
Somebody did their form this week. Somebody did it again. He goes all the way to the back.
Yeah. Shiloh does this every time we're going through this tunnel. Yeah! Oh, that's fucking hilarious. Dude, I can't tell you enough how good it feels to find somebody who like understands that this is my first time actually tearing a block apart. This is my first time going through like the machining process and stuff. I'm used to just buying a block, bro. Like my previous builds that I've done, because I've had quite a few Hondas in the past. I know you guys don't really know that about me. The only thing you've seen is the hatch. I've had quite a few Hondas in the past, and it's always just been like buy an engine, throw it in, buy a block, buy a head, slap them together. Like that kind of stuff I have no problem with. It's the internals of the block that you know, that's uncharted territory for me. You know what I'm saying? Like those are the things that I've never done before, and I'm kind of excited to you know, assemble this block myself, cut the rings and put everything in the torque spec and all that. Like hopefully it performs well and it don't just have catastrophic failure. Todd over at S&S Machine, dude, I mean, he walked me through everything that needs to be done, and he explained to me the reason why it needs to be done. You know what I'm saying? Just that little talk that I had with him today, I learned a lot, man. So, and you know, that's the difference between a company that offers quality customer service and a company that don't, basically. I can't tell you guys how many machine shops I've actually called and just tried to ask the most minor little questions to, and it's like they just don't have the time. You know what I'm saying? They're just, it is what it is, brother. You know, I know people are busy, but I don't know. I just felt very well welcomed at Todd's shop over at S&S Machine. I mean, you guys seen it. They gave it, like, they didn't have to do that. They gave us a full tour of their shop, dude. And you know, a lot of companies will do things like this because they're looking for attention, like they need work or something. Like, oh yeah, come in, you know, you can help market my company. But dude, that's not the situation here. This guy has so much work sitting there. Like, he has plenty of work. You know, they're busy. They're busy as hell, and for good reason. You know, the customer service that they offer, and dude, just Shiloh sat there forever just picking at the guy's brain, you know, asking him questions. Like, all the years of knowledge that he has, you know, I'm happy I found them. I really am. I am genuinely happy I found them, and I look forward to getting the engine done, all the machine work done by him, and I look forward to you know, having a long-lasting relationship, and you know, being able to have a place, you know, that with future builds, you know, I don't have to worry about it, because now I know where to go, you know what I'm saying? So the block's got some miles on it, It's overall in pretty good condition, but just running a straight 84 millimeter piston just isn't gonna work in this situation. So we are gonna have to bore it. We're gonna have to go 20 over, which is gonna put it at 84.5, which is, you know, it's fine with me. But I will say, I have got pistons and I have got rods on the way. I also ordered something else for the block that you guys will see whenever it gets here, you know what I'm saying? So obviously I've made a decision, dude. We were sitting back and we're just kind of, you know, all of us were like, you know, all motor or turbo, and the decision's been made, brother. The khaki Civic is gonna be running. You know I can't just give it to you like that, man. I have to give you guys something to look forward to. When the pistons come in, that's when you guys are gonna find out whether we're running all motor or not. Feel free to keep leaving your comments as to what it is you hope it should be, or whatever, you know what I'm saying? So turbo or all motor. To celebrate this decision, I have a couple new stickers, of course. What's up, man? I'm making new stickers left and right, dog. So check out the website. We got the all motor sticker, and we got the, you know, the turbo sticker, whichever one you guys want, dog. So you can now get those on the website. They are up as well. Links in the description below. Peace out, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. And she's freaking honking hard while I'm recording.